How to save your file in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of saving your Canva project to your computer. So, without further ado, let's get started. Once you've finished editing your project, navigate to the Share button located in the top right corner of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear. Simply select the Download option. Next, you'll see different file type options. Click on the File Type drop-down menu and choose your preferred format. In this case, I'm selecting PDF for export, but you can choose any format that suits your needs. Depending on the file type, you may have additional options. For example, when exporting as a PDF, enabling the flattening option ensures proper printing. Once you've made your selections, click on Download, and your file will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, you can find your saved file in your Downloads folder. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.